Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Grwm. So today I am doing just a quick everyday glam, little chit chat, get ready with me. I know you guys like to really watch these type of videos because it's not so much a formal tutorial. It's more like chatting and getting ready type of thing. I'm doing a really simple makeup today. I'm gonna go in with a Prism palette by Anastasia. You guys also know I got soft glam and I did a review on that. You guys know that didn't go as well as I wanted it to go, but I did what I could, you know? So if you guys want to see what look I create with the Prism palette today, go ahead and subscribe and turn on the notifications and comment down below and let's get started. So first things first, I'm going to do a little bit of eye cream. I'm using the Lancome eye cream. This one I just got in PR and I mean it works. I'm not going to say this is something you need in your collection, but I'm going to say that it works. I mean it does what it needs to do. It hydrates my eyes and I'm a happy person. It's a great daytime. Well, I put my eye cream on my forehead, you guys. I always do that. I need to keep that forehead wrinkle free. And then I'm going to go in with my serum. You guys know I always use my Clarins serum. Bomb stuff. Has like turmeric in it. Using the Benefit brow powder. And this is browsing. This is the old packaging. I have the newer packaging, but you know, I ain't want to waste my products. The reason why I love doing my brows with powder is because it's like literally foolproof. It's so easy to do. You don't really need to worry about much. So I'm gonna just take Saturn and I'm just gonna put it into my crease like that. Remember you guys, I started to do more of a new method where I just go in with a darker color right away and get that into my crease. And you just want to lightly blend this out. And what I really like about this process, you guys, is that it's quick. You don't have to go in with a second, you don't have to start with like that first build-up color. You know what I'm talking about? Like that first transition color. I'm not a big fan of that. I feel like that makes it really murky kind of. So I really like to just go in with the darker shade first. And then I'll go in with a lighter shade and like blend this out if it's needed. I gotta clean my brushes, you guys. Our brushes are so dirty. I'm gonna go in with Eden and I'm just going to kind of blend out that line on the top. So I'm just gonna go in and just gently blend out these edges. And what that's gonna do is just give a very nice gradient effect, but it doesn't get murky. That's what I love. Like it doesn't get weird murky. See, then now it's just a flawless blend. Okay guys, so I had to do all that on a voiceover. I had an important call that I couldn't avoid, so I did all that on voiceover. I'm so sorry, but I'm gonna finish off with some Peaches blushes. So I'm gonna take this MAC Peach blush, kind of go on with the orange vibes. This was a super quick makeup look. For my inner corner, I'm just gonna go in with the Amrezy palette, the Amrezy highlighter, and I'm just gonna highlight my inner corners. So I got these Grande lips in the mail as PR and I wanted to try them out because it has like a lip plumper in it, and I guess Grande lips, I'm a fan of their products. Here I go again. They don't really have a huge range of products. They're kind of like a smaller indie brand that's also available in Sephora. So I just thought I would try these lipsticks out because I mean they came in PR and I really like how the brush looks, so I was like I need to try this. So I think I'm gonna do butter rum or river clay because the other ones look like they're red and stuff like that. let's open the colors of these. So this is, okay, I don't like the packaging. I like clear, the whole thing to be clear, but okay, you know, everyone's different. And so this is like a brown, like a terracotta brown, which will look really good with this lip, with this look. There's this nudie one. It's more of a mauve nude. I'm gonna go in with buttered rum. It has like a little bit of a tingy, minty feel, which is very interesting because, guys, so now to finish off my look, I am going to use these Demi Wispies by Ardell, because I don't have lashes, so I'm not gonna waste my time with mascara, because it's usually what I try to attempt, but I rather just slide me on some lashes and call it a day. I'm gonna put on these Demi Wispies because they're super natural. Just gonna go ahead and put these on. These Demi lashes are so easy to put on. If you're somebody that, you know, doesn't have lashes like me, like look at how, you can barely even see my lashes on camera. They're so tiny. If you're someone like me who just doesn't really have a lot of lashes, but you love to wear lashes, the mink lashes that are my favorite just to give me that subtle look is these by Lily Ghalichi. They're Miami, and if you're like just wanting to go quick and be super natural, then the Demi Wispies are pretty good. I tend to wear both. Yeah, it's just like a subtle lash. It's not even that noticeable. You can't even tell that I have it on. Guys, so this is the finished look, a really quick get ready with me. This took me about an hour to do only because I was filming, but if I wasn't filming, it would take me about 30 minutes to get done. It's so easy, it's so quick. I really enjoyed it. It looks so pretty on me. I know I'm tooting my own horn, I'm so sorry. But anyways, if you like this look, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you know when I get my next video coming up, and that will help this channel out a lot. Also follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook. Those are all at Glam by Runa, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you so much. Mwah.